In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Bosch dishwasher E31 error code. Basically, there's multiple ways to fix this problem, and the first one is doing a hard reset. You just want to disconnect the dishwasher from the power for at least 5 minutes to clear temporary control board faults. For the second step, you want to clear or clean filters and inspect the drain. Remove the bottom rack, clean the main filter, and ensure that the drain pump area is free of debris. For the third one, we want to check the water temperature. Ensure incoming water is hot enough, at least 29 Fahrenheit or at least 49 Fahrenheit. For the next one, we want to drain base and tilt technique. Now, if the error is caused by water in the base, carefully tilt the dishwasher forward at a 45-degree angle to allow water to drain from the base pan. Next, we want to dry out zeolite models. If you have a zeolite model, you want to leave the door open for a few days or just use a hairdryer to remove moisture from the drying system chamber. Last, you want to check the wirings and components. Inspect the heating element and NTC thermistor for loose or corroded connection. If these steps do not resolve the issue, the heating element or control board may need replacement. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.